a circle, Jack?
36.
Okay, we know that there are 300 degrees in a circle.
That's wrong. 360.
Didn't I say 360?
I said 300.
My head hurts. Okay, 360 degrees. I have a headache. It's
So do I.
Free period.
anyways, 360 degrees in a circle. What do we know about the circumference?
That is 5.
Good.
D pi r.
2 pi
2?
r. 2 pi r. That's IR.
2 pi r, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Circumference, not area, circumference. So the circumference is 2 pi r. Now, it's 3, and we talked about, degrees going around this way. Okay, this is our center right here. Okay. But we also talked about that let's just say that this is x degrees. How many degrees is this? It's x degrees, right? They're the same. So if I know that going around here is 360, I know that this is a full 360 degrees. With me so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I know that the whole circumference is 360 degrees, I can set that to the formula 2 pi r. So 360 degrees equals 2 pi r. Make sense so far? Who said no? All right, 360 gives you full rotation around the circle, right? We know that a full rotation around the circle is the circumference, which we can calculate by 2 pi r. So we just set them equal to each other because they're the same. Now, in dealing with a unit circle, your radius is going to be 1. So we can say 360 equals 2 pi times 1, okay, standard unit. Anything times 1 is just simply 2 pi, or itself, 2 pi. Therefore, if I divide by 2, 180 degrees is equal to pi. Now, this is called radian measurement, okay? There are 180 degrees in 1 pi radians. That's the ratio of them. That's the comparison. So if I want to know, so here, let's continue this over here. 180 degrees equals pi radians. And if I divide each side by pi, the ratio to convert is 180 over pi will give me 1 radian. It's a unit of measurement. It's a unit of measurement. And vice versa, I can say 1 degree equals what? If I want to get degree by itself, what would I do? Divide by 180. So 1 degree equals pi over 180 radians. So you can convert these back and forth. I can convert degrees into radians and radians into degrees. So quick example. I'll do 2 quick examples. Let's say that I have 45 degrees, and I want to convert this to radians. How would you do it? Nick?
You would divide it by pi.
Times it by? So to convert degrees to radians, you're going to multiply by pi over 180. That will change it from the degrees, to degrees to radians. And what should kind of be helpful to kind of help you remember this is if I put this over 1, bless you, notice how the degrees will cancel out, right? Okay, so that's kind of how you remember whether it's pi over 180 or vice versa. So when you go and do this, I'll keep pi up here. What is 45 over 180? Drew? 1/4. So it's going to be pi over 4 radians. Now you're not going to put that in your calculator and give me a decimal. Okay, we're going to keep it as that for most of the things that we're working with. Now to go the other way. If I have pi over 6 radians, Jack?
Like what is a radian? Like what are we trying to find?
A radian is just another type of measurement.
Like what would you measure with it? Is a radian?
It's like a measurement of an angle. So I can measure an angle in a degree format or a radian format. Okay.
Why?
Yes.
Oh, so that times pi 180.
Yeah. So 180 over pi. And again, to help you remember this, you'll notice to convert from radians to degrees, the pi's will cancel out. All right, so something should cancel out when you're converting these. So what that's going to give you then is what?
30.
30. 30 degrees. All right? So far, so good? Michael?
What's the difference between like a radian and a degree? Like why do they have like a radian?
It just kind of depends on what kind of things you're working. When you start talking about wavelengths and that sort of thing, you're going to want it in radian measurement. It's just a more precise way of using it. All right, do you want to